our day began with breakfast at the hotel. Then we went to Tornai with our family in Lotopa. Always great to see family members from all over the world, even New Zealand. And we had so much fun getting to know them. The younger ones always played and got to know each other as well. The next day we had breakfast by the pool again at the hotel. Then we went to the Tokauso barbershop to get a haircut. We made our way along, I think it's the south, I don't know, towards the way as we drove to our next spot, which was Sauniatu. So enjoy the ride. We arrived at the Sauniatu waterfalls. This is the top part where you park your cars. Beautiful sight with beautiful views. This is us walking down towards the waterfall. The stairs were damaged a bit over the years, and so they've got new stairs, which I didn't really get a shot of. But this is walking, and there's the Sauniatu waterfalls. Very, very beautiful, not always busy. So there's the new stairs on the right hand side. Used to go down the left and it was a bit steep, but now you go to the right and you have to walk over the rocks. So I would wear some shoes, and this is Logan jumping off the side. Then we had dinner at Bistro Tala. Bistro Tala is in Samoa. Very beautiful artwork on the walls. I had steak, mashed potatoes with mushroom sauce, delicious. But the winner was the chocolate cake. And we started off with a rainy morning. Then we headed out for some shopping and we went to Plantation House. Here's Logan testing out his purchase from the Markeki, and next you're going to be seeing my 100 Tala Markeki challenge, where I picked all of my gifts and souvenirs to take home, and I had a 100 Tala budget, so let's see if I made it. So I have just finished my challenge and I failed by $5 because I got a last minute gift for somebody. So what did I get from the market? I got this necklace. This was 20 Tala. Very nice gift, could be male or female. We got 2 Samoa magnets. So these were 10 Tala each. Very cute. Made with coconut shells, hand painted with traditional Samoan designs as well. And then we got these cute little bracelets. So again, they are 5 Tala. They have Samoan designs or hand painted. They come in a variety of different colors. These are probably painted PVC pipes, so it's going to be pretty durable, easy to open and close if you need to, but if these are for children, it's not going to be a problem. So there's the 3 of them again. They were 5 Tala each. Then we have these 2 necklaces. So it's like another shell, painted, hand painted with some Samoan motifs as well as Rastafari kind of colors, with, what do you call them, initials. So these were 10 Tala each. Then we have this hand woven bag. So it's got a long nice strap. When you open it, it has these pockets. Ooh, and even inside there are little pockets. So this would have been a lot of work to do. It was 20 Tala. Now, I had finished purchasing all my gifts by that time, but then we got to the car and we had little children selling lava lavas, and I used the leftover 5 Tala and 5 Tala from my coins, and I got a 10 Tala ear lava lava. So that made me go over 5 Tala, but yes, it was worth it. And I got all my gifts, and yeah, that was my Markeki challenge. Logan ended the day with a Siva Afi practice with Yeti to Omalatai. We started the day with breakfast in the hotel because that was our favorite time. Then we headed to Tolsua. Tolsua is a water trench in Samoa. Very famous, one of the most famous places to visit in Samoa.
เลยนะคะ
So our main reason for coming to Samoa was to attend my sister's wedding, and so in the evening we attended her hen's night at the Cornwall Cafe. It was beautiful, absolutely loved it. The next morning in the hotel, we met one of our followers from California. Thank you for reaching out and for saying hi. It was great meeting you. Then we headed out to Piula. Piula is a freshwater pool, cave pool, yep. And on the other side of this wall, you will see the ocean. And so there's saltwater ocean on one side, then a freshwater pool on the other. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely go visit. I love that they've added the huts since we left. Great addition for visitors to spend longer at Piula pools. Logan did some Steva Afi practice while we were there because you can never get enough practice. Plus, he has a performance coming up for the wedding, so he needed to get in the practice. What a beautiful place to practice, though, right by the side of the freshwater pool and also on the ocean side. Then after Piula, we went and spent the evening with my father's family and ate delicious food and laughed and had a great time. we had breakfast in the hotel the next morning, and then I had a work commitment. So the rest of my family went to Sopoaga Falls as well as Vavau Beach. So enjoy the beautiful views that they got to see. And yeah, I'm still having FOMO because I didn't get to go to my favorite beach this trip, but I hope that you do because it's still amazing. And I've still yet to go to Sopoaga Falls. So happy that we got this footage for you all and for myself. Another day, another breakfast at the hotel to start the morning. Then Logan did some practice because today is wedding day and he has to perform. And so he's practicing before we get ready. And here I am in my new dress. And then we have performances by the Aomanga dance group in Samoa. Logan did a great performance and very proud of him. Our next part is my favorite part, I think, the band.
Oh my god, it's moving. Twisted us.
Quincy, get away, not moving your eye. And then what?
Ooh. Oh.
These are the last days that we were there. We got to see a new puppy added to our family house. We got to say goodbye to our family, and it was a beautiful, beautiful trip, and we loved every minute of it. And probably not every minute, but we loved it. We loved spending time with our family, and we loved getting to know them all better. We loved seeing Samoa. We loved eating all the food in Samoa. We loved swimming in Samoa. We love Samoa, and we will definitely be back, and we hope that you will all visit again or as well. So thank you for joining us on our Samoa vlogs. This is our last one for 2023, and we hope that you've enjoyed it, that you've learned something. Tell us in the comments if there is something that you think we should have shown in our vlogs that we could do next time. And Whaftai Tele Lava, thank you so much for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. Have a wonderful day. Fa sui fua!